4. Exercise 3. Consider the following two scenarios. For each, specify the variable and say something like W is the width of the rectangle. And then write a compound inequality that represents the scenario given. Draw its solution set on the number line. Students are to present a persuasive speech in class. So the variable is speech. S equals speech. Don't make it hard. Okay? Sorry, my writing is so terrible. The guidelines state that the speech must be at least 7 minutes, but not exceed 12. So we know the speech is S. It must be at least. That means it could include 7, and that it can't be more than 12. So fairly simply, let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And a little solid dot here, slide on up and get to 12. There we go. There's our speech. Children and seniors receive a discount on the tickets at the movie. To receive the discount, well, I've seen this word discount twice, so I kind of think that ought to be what I should pick for my variable. So D is going to equal discount. And let's see, we have several conditions for this. That must be a person must be between 2 and 12, including 2 and 12, okay, solid dots or equal signs, or 60 years of age or older. All right, looks like this one's got two conditions. So first of all, if your age is between 2 and 12, you can have a discount. Or if your age is greater than or equal to 60, you can have a discount. How nice. All right, well, we don't have a lot of space here for all this. So I'm thinking let's go 0, 10. Oh, geez, that's not a 10. Let me get that out of here. Okay, 0. Thinking 20, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. All right, now this could get a little bit difficult, but I have a feeling we can do it. Let's see, between 2 and 12. So let's call this 2, and it's a solid dot, and 12. About here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to say this was 2, and I'm going to say this is 12. And then we can go up to 60, and we can take anybody older than 60 can get in with a discount. Yay! Exercise 4. Determine if each sentence is true or false. Explain your reasoning. 8 plus 6 equals 14 is less than or equal to 14. Well, 14 is definitely equal to 14, so that's true. Let's have a look. This one's a little tougher, and we have to have two truths because this is an and. 1/3. What does 1/3 look like? Well, we divide it up as a pie. Ooh, maybe it'll make these a little more proportionally fair. That's 1/3. Is that less than? Is it less than 1/2? Well, a half is this. And I'm pretty sure this region is less than this one. So I'm willing to say true, and we'll pick true for our answer. 5 minus 8, -3 is less than 0. Or, this is nice, this is true. Or means we only need one. 10 plus 13, that's 23, doesn't equal 23. Well, that returns a false, but because we had one true, because it was one example of true in the whole thing, we can choose true for our answer. Yay! All right, solve each system and graph the solution on a number line. X minus 9 equals 0. x minus 9 plus 9 equals 0 plus 9. X equals 9. Or, interesting, this looks like we get two answers. X plus 15 minus 15 equals 0 minus 15. This means we got a zero pair. X equals negative 15. No problem, we can graph this. We'll get our number line on here first. Honestly, you really only need to graph the significant points. So there's our 0. Let this be 9, and we have to remember that 15 is farther away from 0 than 9, and so negative 15 should have a greater distance. And let's go ahead then and give it our graph. Equals means just a dot, no shading. Here we are. All right, move on to the next one. 5x minus 8 equals negative 23. So we'll add 8 to both sides. 5x minus 8 plus 8 equals negative 23 plus 8. 0 pair. 5x equals negative 15. Nice. Oh, really nice. Divide by 5. X equals negative 3. Next question. Or, like or 2. Okay, so or says x plus 1, so we're going to subtract 1. X, oh darn it, sorry. Hold on, we got this. X plus 1 minus 1 equals negative 10 minus 1. X equals negative 11. So we have again two possible solutions. X is either negative 3 or negative 11. Interesting. I'll put 0 here. 1, 2, 3. Negative 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Negative 11. Interestingly though, I don't even have to shade, I just have to color the slots. Ta-da! Done.